It's really unusual to have a relaxing, calm, rainy day in Texas. Usually when it rains, it gets windy. I'm used to a wind. When I was born and raised, I was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee, and there's a lot more trees there. And the rains were always so gentle. There was a porch in the front of our house. I think it was 1286 Poppin Drive. I know it was Poppin Drive in Memphis. It was down at the bottom of a cul-de-sac. I used to sit outside and listen to the raindrops hitting the tin roof there was a cover over the porch, and it used to hit the tin roof over your head. You used to sit there and enjoy the sounds, the smells too. You know, that smell. I guess they say it's ozone. I got some pretty birds out right now. So lovely. But I'm enjoying today's gentle rain. So hard nowadays. Well, maybe it was always hard. I just seem to appreciate it more the older I get. I can just step away from the world and problems and troubles and just breathe in the relaxation of God's gentle nature around us. Anyways, hope you're having a good day.